Hello everyone, I'm your instructor Mohammed Hassan and today I need your help. So please stay tuned and listen to my message because I need video reviews from you guys. Now, what I'm offering in return is you can access all my courses. You can access any course for free. Okay, so what you have to do is, if you have enrolled in one or two of my courses and they have helped you in your design process, in your job, or in your academic career or anywhere, if you have got to say something about them, you can just get your phone. So what you have to do is get your phone, just sit in front of the camera, maybe in your lounge or anywhere, and record a 30-second to 1 minute video, or maybe longer if you want to. Okay, now what you have to say is introduce yourself. What is your name, what is your profession, and the second thing will be where you are from, the country or city. You can say that I am from India or USA or Belgium or anywhere you are. Okay, so just record a 30-second video, and after that, after introducing yourself, your location, and you can tell about my courses, what you have taken, what you have learned, how my courses have helped you in your career, UI design, learning UI design, or in your job, or anything you have scored. So if you have scored a very big job or a very big freelance project, or it improved your salary, please let me know. So this is how it works. So you have to send me a video, recorded video of yourself. You can also post the link to the video in the comments section below, or you can send me your video on my WhatsApp number or via my email. You can send me your videos via my email. So I will be displaying my email over here, just in case that nobody actually tries to call me again and again. Okay, so this is the offer. Send me a video of how these courses or my courses have helped you in your design career. Introduce yourself, your location, and what and how these courses have helped you, and I will give you any of my courses or all of them in exchange for free. Okay, so this is my short message. Now why I need these is because a lot of people, they try to believe in the video are more emotional, they are easier to connect with human beings and get similar experiences or feel the similar experiences. So this is my short video on how you can get or win all my courses for free. So that is all. I hope that some of you would reach me out or show me the videos. This is another way of showing or saying thanks or gratitude. So this is my video of today. Till then, I will meet you soon, maybe personally. I love to communicate with my students personally via email, or sometimes they call me from different countries. I really love the experience. I hope to see you soon in another video, and I am waiting for your video review. Till then, take care. Bye bye.